What's up, America? Neil here with Geauga Firearms Academy. Thanks for watching. So today I got you a product video. Again, this is a product that I paid with my own money. I'm not sponsored by this. I don't get any kickbacks. This is something I actually use every single day. So for all of you that are into law enforcement, security, religious security, whatever the case is, and you have a radio, and my pet peeve is not having open comms. I think that's a big problem. We want to be able to have communications with our people who are important to that role in security, whatever it is, and I don't need everybody around me hearing what's going on. So I'm a big proponent of having earpieces, and if you've been in law enforcement, security, anything like that for a while, you know you can go to Amazon and you get those plastic tubes, curly tubes, and I've used those for many, many, many years. Everybody has, and they last, 4 to 6 months usually, and then you throw them out and you get a new one. They're not very expensive. They're not great quality either as far as sound, and they also block your ear. So I found a product that I've been using, and this is from a company called N-Ear. I originally was introduced to them at SHOT Show. I don't remember which one. But what's cool about these guys is that their product is a hearing aid quality, as they say. As you can see here, it's a very fine little line. It's almost like a translucent cable. It's super strong, stronger than those plastic tubes. There's like some kind of wire in here. I don't know all the exact specs, as it doesn't really matter. What I can tell you as an end user is the quality of sound is phenomenal. What's also phenomenal with these is that the earpiece doesn't block sound at all. So I don't have any obstructed hearing whatsoever. I can hear in, my full surroundings. I have my, I don't know, depth percent, but sound perception, right, where sounds come from, are not obstructed at all. So the cool thing about this is how small, light it is as well. So check this out. It's actually in my ear. Obviously you can see there's a little bit of a curl down here. But typically you can't even tell if I'm wearing it. I mean, it goes over the ear. There's a couple different models, but this one is specifically designed for the right ear, so you have to check that out. Some of them are universal. But it's a very thin wire, goes over, it's very comfortable. I don't even know I have it in. In fact, the hardest thing about it sometimes is just getting used to how you have to put it in your ear, because unlike the other plastic ones, this one goes really far in your ear canal. A lot of times if I'm taking my gear off, we're going to be in a setting where we're not going to be actively doing anything, I just leave this in my ear. I just unplug it from my radio and put my gear wherever, and then I just plug this back in, because there's no issue. Again, I could wear this all day. I wouldn't even know it's in my ear. It's an absolute game changer when it comes to sound quality, comfort, and the ability to still be able to hear everything I need to from both ears. The only other thing I would talk about on this one is price, which is definitely different than what you're expecting from the plastic clear tubes. These are like, I don't know, I want to say 120 bucks, something like that, depending on how much you pay and whatever. But as far as longevity, like I said, if you guys are familiar with those and you're wearing them every day, like that's your job, you're gonna blow through those, 3 to 6 months. You're gonna be buying new ones. I did have an issue with this one. It did break. It was about 1.5 years. And for whatever reason, the sound quality just suddenly got muffled, and I cleaned it. I took it all apart. I did everything I was supposed to, but I think just after time the cable broke. Nonetheless, I bought another one. The one I bought, the second one I bought was a universal, so it doesn't matter what ear this goes into. This again was specific. There's 3 or 4 different models. You can check them out, see what you guys like. But if you're looking for something you're going to wear every day that's super comfortable, again, you don't even know what's in there, doesn't affect sound, but the sound quality itself, by the way, it's crazy good. It's like you have voices in your head, right? So I would definitely check that out. So again, that's from N-Ear, this company. It comes in this little pouch, by the way. I didn't show you everything inside here, but there's a couple, there's a little kit. It looks really funny. It looks like little plastic deals, and that's for actually clearing out the system from wax and stuff like that. So it's pretty easy to use. You take a filter out and put a new one in, and you can get more. Again, they're, like I said, hearing aid quality type stuff. So that's what I got on that one. Link down below. Again, it doesn't really matter. We don't get any kickbacks or anything like that. There's no discount codes. It's just the company that I use, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So check that out. You guys know where to find us here on YouTube. Of course, we have our stuff on Rumble, Facebook, Instagram, and of course, we put all our A-list stuff on Patreon. Until next time, remember, it's always better to be judged by 12 than carried by 6.